All right, we have like DVDs that can be manufactured for 19 cents each. The development cost is $210. The first 500 discs are samples and will not be sold. Okay. The development cost means to develop either the content, right? Let's say if you wanted to hire some videographers to create the movie, it costed this much, or they could be talking about the actual manufacturing machine of the DVD. It costs this much. Either ways, there's a fixed cost. Okay, so for cost, we're trying to model cost, and there's 210 plus the first 500. So 500 of 0.19. This is, as soon as you want to even make one DVD, this is a fixed cost. All right, so for A, the average cost is the total cost, okay, over the number of discs, right? Number of, I guess, DVDs, right? DVDs that are sold. All right. So the fixed cost here is that plus, now for every, if you let X be the number of DVDs that we can actually sell, right? That we can actually sell, is going to be another 0.19x. Okay, you got to divide that by X, where X represents, I shouldn't say DVD sold, like can be sold, I guess, can be sold, right? Because the first 500 couldn't even be sold. So that's the function for average. What is the average cost if 5,000 discs were produced? So average cost for 5,000 is just replacing this formula with 5,000. And then average cost for 15,000, just replacing X with 15,000. Okay, so let's punch that in the calculator. All right, so you can see if you sell 5,000, average cost is $42, right? So usually DVDs or CDs, whatever it is, it's not this expensive. So we're definitely losing money if you only sell 5,000. Even here, probably not making too much money, but definitely goes down. Okay, the point is, the more you sell, it goes down. Okay, how many discs must be produced to bring an average cost under $10? So now the question is, you want it to be under $10. So 0.95 19x all over x less than 10. Okay, you can multiply both sides by x, you get 10x. Okay, and you get a 9.81, right? X if you subtract both sides by that. Okay, and x will be just that divided by 9.81. All right, so that is 21. That's the number. Okay, if you want it to be $10, you need to basically sell 21,417. Okay. Okay, so now if you were to visualize this, right? So this has a vertical asymptote at x equals 0, and the horizontal asymptote is 0.19. Okay, so 0.19. And then, so there's a vertical asymptote here. So the cost starts up here and starts going back down. So, so from this graph, you can see the average cost when you're selling nothing is really high. Okay, it's modeled with being really high. But as you sell more, we get closer and closer to the actual cost per disc, right? So if you sell like a lot, like maybe 1 million, we'll get probably pretty close to 19 cents.